Hi everyone, Evan here at the Chronicle for Federal Reserve and Bank of Canada Day, October 30th, 2019. First up, we'll cover the Bank of Canada here quick. They went ahead and held as expected, and as I mentioned in previous videos, if the Federal Reserve cut today, which in fact they did, the Bank of Canada would then cut at their next meeting early December, which I'll get into it here in a second, definitely remains my base case. Now, as we all know, the Bank of Canada was trying to put a positive spin on this, how we remain resilient through the trade wars, through the global economic slowdown, etc., etc. We had a strong labor market. You get the point. This statement here tells me they're cutting rates in early December. Resilience of Canada's economy will be increasingly tested. Thanks to David Rosenberg for tweeting that out. Now look, when you read a statement like that, from everything they've said in the past, if that doesn't tell you they're going to spin this as an insurance rate cut, frankly, I don't know what will. So my base case, at the next meeting in early December, Bank of Canada is cutting rates. Now on to the U.S. Federal Reserve. As expected by you, me, the stock market, bond market, and your long-lost children, went ahead and cut interest rates by 25 basis points, mind you. They did remove the act as appropriate pledge, though. And if you look what happened in Fed funds futures today, the chances of a rate cut in December fell to about 22%. With this, and the way that presser went, unless there's a drastic correction in the stock market, you're not getting another rate cut from the U.S. Federal Reserve. That's the impression, at least, that I got. Unless there's a correction in the stock market, there's really no urgency to go ahead and cut rates any further than what's already been done. Now, to be clear, the U.S. Fed is already easing. Look at all the injections that have been done in the repo market to keep that at least somewhat going. Look at the QE that started up again to keep the repo market going. All the liquidity they're injecting, that's easing. So whether they cut rates or not, the Federal Reserve is still in easing mode. So go ahead and keep that in mind. So to quickly summarize this, I don't want to keep you on here too long. Bank of Canada will cut rates by 25 basis points, my opinion, at their next meeting in early December. And for the Fed to go ahead and cut rates in the next meeting, there would have to be a drastic drawdown in the stock market. All I'm going to say, smash that like button, leave a comment, subscribe, follow both my Twitter accounts, and as always, my name is Evan, this is the Chronicle, where the future starts today.